Hi, this is Mark Mateya from Mateya Law Firm in Carlisle, PA, and I've been talking about the journey that my brothers and I have been on helping my mom. My mom is 85 years old at the time we're talking about right now, and the issue was she had fallen, and we're deciding what's next, what are we going to do for mom, and we realized we had a second ethical dilemma, and that was the dilemma of choosing safety versus what mom wants. Like the example I'll use to begin with is walking. Well, mom needs help walking. She has to be on somebody's arm. She refused to use a walker. Walkers are for old people, said my 85-year-old mother. Well, she didn't want to embrace using a walker. And my own thought was, if she embraces using a walker, she's embracing the idea that she's old and she's looking at her mortality and didn't want to do that. And my brothers and I recognized, well, she has to use a walker. So, of course, the three of us got together and said, she has to. You tell her. Oh, no, you tell her. So, of course, nobody told her. So what we did is we strongly suggested to her that she use a walker. By not insisting, did we jeopardize her safety? Yeah, probably. But we also wanted to protect her dignity. So it's a difficult situation. And it wasn't just the walker. There were other issues as well that it's going between, is she in harm's way, or do we want to offend our mother? And there's a struggle between these two. The stairs. There are stairs all through her house. That's an issue. Cooking. Should we allow her to cook? And listen to even to that question. Is it up to me to allow her? But will she forget and leave a burner on? There's no bathroom on the main floor. So this really goes on and on. It's safety versus familiarity. And what we found at this point is we were no better off. It wasn't getting any easier. That's probably a better way to say it. It wasn't getting any easier than back when we had to have her start looking at her estate planning documents when she was 80 and getting those signed, and how it took us years to get her to do that. This struggle between safety and familiarity, safety versus what your mom, what your dad wants, it's something that's difficult. My suggestion, I've been through this with a lot of clients as well as now with my own mother. Try to involve that person as much as possible. It's not always possible, and I know that because sometimes mentally they're not in a position to make that decision. But if they are, try to get them to buy in. It makes it so much easier when they don't have to like it, like going to the dentist, but at least recognize, yeah, this is probably what's best for me.